Efficient and thorough AUTOOL HTS705 dry ice blasting cleaning machine uses dry ice cleaning technology to accelerate dry ice particles and impact sediments through high pressure airflow, so as to completely remove carbon deposits. The carbon deposit in all vehicle parts can be completely removed without disassembly, which effectively reduces the cleaning time and greatly improves the cleaning efficiency. Widely applicable, our dry ice blast cleaner is suitable for removing stuck and flaking formulations, silicone and rubber residues, oils, greases, turpentine, asphalt, dirt, inks, resins, adhesives, waxes and paints, chewing gum, and graffiti. It has been widely used in rubber, casting, automobile, marine, electric power, chemical, printing, plastic, food, pharmaceutical and aviation fields. Eco-friendly and safety. This dry ice cleaning machine for cars uses dry ice instead of toxic chemicals for cleaning, which can not only protect the safety of personnel, but also effectively prevent harmful substances from adhering to the equipment for a long time and causing damage. In addition, dry ice particles will be sublimated and gasified, which will not leave a mess after cleaning, greatly saving your time and energy. Excellent design. The built-in intelligent microcomputer of the dry ice blasting cleaning machine can precisely control the pressure. Users can freely adjust the pressure and speed through the control panel according to the cleaning needs to achieve the best cleaning effect. The cleaning machine also has a special place for hanging the nozzle head and hose, which can be placed orderly and taken more conveniently. In addition, it also has 4 flexible universal casters, which can rotate 360 degrees, saving more effort when moving. 3 years warranty and warm tips for damage caused by non-human factors. We promises to resend parts for free within 3 years. Due to transportation reasons, dry ice pellets is not included in this dry ice blaster kit. You can buy on your local market or online shopping platform. The diameter of dry ice pellets is 3 to 5 millimeters, 0.12-0.2 inch. Please confirm carefully before purchasing to avoid wasting your time and money. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. Efficient and thorough AUTOOL HTS705 dry ice blasting cleaning machine uses dry ice cleaning technology to accelerate dry ice particles and impact sediments through high pressure airflow, so as to completely remove carbon deposits.